Today I'm back in the Southwest. This new construction community has now sold the first 6 home sites. Couple of things I want you to know. The lot premium can range from $9,000 up to $42,000 depending on the size of the lot. They've currently got the HOA at about $70 a month, but more importantly, the builder is offering up to $20,000 in credits to help you with closing costs or an interest rate buy down. There are several things that I do specifically for my buyers to save on their out-of-pocket cost. Send me a message today if you're interested in learning more. I would love the opportunity to earn your business.